All right. Hello. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Good afternoon,
Hi,
sir.
sir.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Right. All right. You see my PowerPoint?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Sige. So we will end up no to this accounting records and system. Then next week is your midterm. All right. So multiple choice, na true or false only. All right. So dapat we have two topics, na but uh because of this, no, because of the typhoon. So yun naman na. Okay, so we will have chapter 4. So basically the chapter 4 is only a what do you call that? Only a review, no, since we are done with the worksheet. So parang it is more on the worksheet side thoroughly, but today is only a review. Okay? Sige nga. Accounting record and system. So what we learned, no, from the past is all about accounting is a language of business, correct? No? Why we learn this? Because of course accounting is the best learned, no, by doing what the debit and credit, 'di ba? So you remember pa about the debit and credit, Christian?
Yes, sir.
All right. What do you mean again of debit and credit?
Sir, it should be always equal and should always
Should always
correlate
be
with
equal.
the principles of bookkeeping.
All right. All right, very good. So principles of bookkeeping or the principles of balance. Very good. So today we will also discuss now as a review on the things that we discussed 2 months ago. All right. So the account, diba? We discussed also the account, which is the device wherein you calculate no the net change. No, the simplest form is the T account, diba? Ano nga yung T account? So when we have journal entries, now it is posted to our T account or also known as the ledger. Okay, and then because of this D account, now we basically record the increase or decrease in terms of the account. Diba? So in your assets, you have a lot of account or account titles. You have your cash, AR, inventory, up to the property, plant, and equipment. Diba? So all of that now when you have your assets, all the increase is on the debit. Tama? All the decrease is on the credit. So basically that's the T account or the ledger. Okay, the increase on one side and the other is all about the decrease in the other side. Wait ha. All right. And then yun nga sabi ni Christian, it is basically you balance it based on the debit and credit. You balance periodically. All right. Permanent account. What do you mean of permanent account? Phoebe de Guzman, di ba? Permanent account is also known as your real accounts. No? That's your balance sheet accounts or your statement of financial position. So, bakit nga tinatawag na balance sheet account is real account or permanent account? If you remember, Mon, why is it that the balance sheet account is also known as real account or also known as balance sheet account? Bakit permanent or real account? If you remember.
Hi, sir. Sir, can you hear me well?
Sure, sure.
Sir, because it is transferred or carried to the next accounting period.
Yes, it is carried to the next accounting period. So kaya siya permanent. Very good, no? And of course, your net income, 'di ba? Your sales and your expenses are all transferred to the capital, correct? Or owner's equity. Very good. All your assets, liabilities, and owner's equity are transferred, no, next year. Okay, so we accumulate the balance of your asset, liabilities, and owner's equity. Unlike in the income and expenses or your net income, they're all nominal or they are all temporary account because the net income are all transferred uh, to your capital account. When you in or your business is all proprietorship, it is transferred all to the owner's equity. Okay. How about if you're a corporation? It is transferred to the retained earnings. All right. Yun nga, carried forward into the next period. So ito yung reason kung bakit the balance sheet account are all permanent because it is carried forward for the next year or for the next period. Okay? That's why in the sense it is a permanent account. So San Miguel Beer. You know what San Miguel Beer, no? Malamang yung cash account nila, yung AR, ano pa yan, no? From the 130 years ago. No? So you accumulate all the accounts, no, carried forward for the next period. That's why it is called permanent account. All right. Temporary. Yun nga, no? Sabi ko kanina, temporary or also known as nominal. All right? Why? Because again, the revenue and expenses are all to be transferred or close to equity when your business is a sole proprietorship, when your business is a partnership, not transferred to the respective partner's capital, 'di ba? How about if it is corporation, transferred all to the retained earnings. That's why you have here retained earnings, right? So you details in terms of income statement and changes in the retained earnings. Why? Because you summarize all your net income, 'di ba? Your operating activity, no? And then at the end of the accounting period, yan. So meaning the retained earnings here. That's why after your preparation of the income statement, you are required to prepare a statement of equity, okay, or statement of retained earnings. Why? Because you will summarize, no? You will summarize the operating activity, wherein the net income, wherein if you have dividends in the retained earnings, or if you have withdrawal or drawings in the and in this capital. All right. So for question, so di ba mas madali ngayon, no? At this we discussed already, no, in the first month of the worksheet. So ngayon parang review na lang siya. Okay? All right. So if you have question, just uh, chat, no, in the chat box. Okay? General ledger. So it contains all accounts. So general ledger is just like the account, 'di ba? You summarize everything in terms of AR, you summarize in terms of the inventory, the fixed assets, the accounts payable, the capital, and all your accounts. It is to be summarized in the general ledger. All right. Sir, what do you mean of subsidiary ledger? Yan. So meaning it is specific. So general is you have your AR, your inventory, but here is you should be able to also to monitor each account receivable, each accounts payable, your sales, be specific, no? And especially your AR and accounts payable, no? Dapat you have or you maintain each customer. Hindi pwedeng all your accounts are summarized in one account, which is account receivable. Eh, halo-halo na. Let's say you are San Miguel, may utang sa'yo si Phoebe. Si Alona may utang, si Christian may utang. Okay? And then you have only one T account. Si Mon may utang sa akin, si Helen, si Layla. Okay? And then you have only one account receivable. So meaning, mami-maintain mo ba on how to summarize everything, 'di ba? That's why you should maintain a subsidiary or detailed ledger. Okay? In your own company ba ganun din?
Yes, sir.
'Di ba? Alona, no? In your company. So dapat that's why in most of the companies, 'di ba, there is one one personal responsible for the account receivable. Kasi ang dami na, no? Yung trabaho mo lang ay mag-maintain or mag-monitor ng AR, their collection, their billing statement, yan. Nung una, naalala ko, AR lang yan, madali lang yan, di ba? The moment, because I was also part of the account receivable associate in San Miguel. I also handled accounts payable. Ang dami, di ba? So my first position in San Miguel dati is accounts payable, di ba? Ang daming binabayaran. So accounts payable is you should also maintain your cash, di ba? Dapat you have available cash. Dapat you are good also in terms of your cash flow kasi babayaran mo. Okay? Yung AR naman mahirap kasi dapat 'di ba ang daming kliyente ng San Miguel, 'di ba? May tindahan, may bar, no? Mayroon pang mga key accounts group, no? Like SM, like Shopwise, like Robinson Supermarket. Ang dami nun. So ikaw yung maintain noon. So dapat magbabayad, no? Mahirap magbayad yung mga nasa tindahan, 'di ba? So 'yon. So kailangan mo pang refer to legal, ang dami, no? So 'yon. What if wala kang summary form of that account receivable in each of your customer? 'Di ba mahihirapan ka? 'Di ba? Sino ba yung utang sa akin? Si LCC ba or uh, si SM supermarket? Ay hindi, parang Shopwise because you have no subsidiary ledger. Yan. Sa accounts payable naman, usually dapat you have the coordination with your cash who handles for cash. Why? Kasi there are times na you issued check, 'di ba? You issued payment pero wala palang pera. Anong mangyayari? Tatalbog ang cheque ng company mo. Yan. So that's why in terms of that, no, you have a proper summary. You have the summary in terms of your AR and in terms of your accounts payable. Usually yun lang yung dalawa, no. Medyo mahirap. Okay. All right. Chart of accounts. So same. Chart of accounts ay ito, no. Your AR, your inventory, your fixed assets. So list of all accounts, number assigned to account based on the balance sheet and the income statements. Yun nga. Depende yan sa company mo if the number 1 ba is cash, number 2 is AR, number 3 is inventory. So it would depend on your company. Sa San Miguel, what we did is 10001. Okay, pag start with the 1, it is assets. Pag start with the 2, it is the payable. Okay? So parang may uniform. So bahala yung company nyo, no? In terms of that. Okay? So minimum numbers of balance sheet and income statement, it depends. No? Depende sa company mo. If your company is a manufacturing firm or if your company is a law firm or small companies. Okay? So management determines number of accounts. Ito one of my student in LaSalle, same subject, financial accounting. As ngayon lang, ngayong term, nagtaka siya. No? He is successful in his e-commerce account. Parang Lazada, pero small, ano na sila. Parang Lazada or Shopee. No? Tapos sabi niya, Sir, kasi siya pa yung CFO, siya pa yung CEO. May mga tao naman siya, pero wala siyang idea about accounting. Sabi niya, Sir, now I know because of this MBA, inihiwalay pala ang cash, inihiwalay pala ang AR, ang inventories. Sabi ko, yes. How you will monitor that cash, your AR, your inventory, your supplies, and if you have only one account. Diba? Sabi niya, ay sir, kaya pala sumasakit yung ulo ko. Sabi ko, malamang, hindi ka magbabalanse, no? When you do trial balance. How come that you have only one account? Diba? Ayun. So now because of his MBA and the LSU now, he knows what to do in terms of the respective account now, chart of accounts. Diba? You have AR, you have payable. Yan. All right. So management determines, yan nga, maybe several in terms of detail, no? Can be viewed as building blocks, no? And we summarize in the various. So depende sa company. All right. So sa San Miguel, ang daming account titles, chart of accounts. In Santa Fe, konti lang. So kung maliit yung company mo, mas maliit yung chart of accounts. Pero kung malaki yung company mo like Unilever, like San Miguel or Coca-Cola, malamang you have a lot of balance sheet and income statement items. Sorry. All right. Debit and credit. So as we discussed, no? Debit and credit, again, debit is not to increase, credit is not to decrease, no? Debit is always on the left side, all right? And credit is always on the credited side, all right? So debit is left side, credit is on the right side, diba? Ano nga yun, of our discussion last 2 months ago or last month, no? Assets, your balance or your normal balance is debit. Why? Because if you increase your asset, always on the debit. Tama? When you decrease your asset, always on the credit. Okay? While liabilities and owner's equity, the balance, sorry, normal balance is always on the credit side. Why? Because when you increase liability and owner's equity, it is on the right side. Diba? And when you credit that, baliktad, no, it is on the debit. So go back again to these principles. So your accounting equation. So hindi ka mawawala in terms of the debit and your credit. Alright? So again, principles of bookkeeping or principles of balance. Alright. So for question. Madali lang ba? Madali na, 'di ba? Madali na ngayon in terms of, again, of this. Okay? Alright. Walang question. Mon, walang question. Miguel? Laila?
None, sir.
Alright, malinaw ha? Alright, sige. Next. Okay, rules of debit and credit. Wag na to. No? Again, asset, when you increase that, always on the debit. When you decrease your asset, always on the credit. Okay? Liability and owner's equity is baliktad. When you increase your liability and owner's equity, it is on the debit. When you decrease naman, nasa debit. Okay? Sorry, liability and owner's equity, when you increase, nasa credit pala. Okay? When you decrease, nasa debit. Alright? So, ganun lang. Okay? Alam nyo na yan. Okay? Alright, rules of debit and credit. How about revenue and expenses? Diba? Revenue is part of the capital. When you increase your revenue, always on the right side. Diba? When you decrease naman, your revenue always on the debit. Alright. How about expenses? When you increase your expenses, always on the debit. When you decrease naman, always on the credit. Okay? So, alam na to, di ba? It is only a review, no? Or let's say, ito yung bago, no? RE or retained earnings, as you notice. Okay? So, since revenue increase RE and expenses decrease RE. So, what do you mean of this? So, revenue and RT account increase on RHS. Okay? Or decrease naman on the left side. So, right side, debit. So, revenue, again, when you increase, always on the right side. Okay? While debit naman is on the left side. All right. Expenses, again, when you decrease that, it is on the left side. When you decrease that, sorry, when you increase left side, decrease naman on the right side. So, alam niyo na. Okay? Okay, wag na to, no? All right, just read na lang to. Just parang review pala tayo in your midterm, di ba? All right, summary of accounting cycle. All of this are done, di ba? Di ba naalala pa? We do journal entries. Correct, Alona, no? All right. So you analyze transactions based on your judgment. So bakit nga siya based on the judgment when you analyze transaction? Laila, if you remember. Di ba you only choose the accountable events. All right. Bakit siya it involves judgment? Laila? All right, wala. Hello? Mark A. Santos. Hello? You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sige. Bakit nga judgment when you analyze transaction?
I cannot recall, sir.
Alright,
Mm.
Lisette. Sige, Lisette. Aslarona. Bakit nga we require judgment in terms of when we analyze transaction?
But we can use judgment, sir, para if we know if we can proceed in the future.
All right.
Kung kaya pang
Because you analyze or you will only record which is the accountable events. Okay, very good. That's why you require judgment. Of course, common sense, if it is a personal thing, you should not record it as part of your transaction. Okay, very good. Yung dalawa, journal entries and posting are all mechanical as long as you know the debit and the credit rule. Di ba? So as we did or as we last month, 'di ba? Parang mechanical na lang. Pag kabisado mo na on how to journalize, mas madali na siya. And also, ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat, 'di ba? Ito yung pinakamadali, posting kasi what you journalize is i-record mo lang siya to summarize in the ledger. Okay? Ito yung wala. Make adjusting entries. Oo nga pala, tapos na. We also discussed, 'di ba? Adjusting entries. Tama ba, Alona? I think I remember.
Yes, sir. We did, sir.
Yes. So meaning we also do it as, or sorry, we require judgment of it, diba? So adjustment of it, so the dates of it, no? And journalize in the post-close. Ito yung wala, no? Ito yung hindi ko, ano pa din? Post-close. And the preparation of the FS. So that's the role of the accounting cycle to summarize everything, no? Of what we did last month, okay? All right, so go back again to this transaction, asset liabilities plus owner's equity. So the rule of debit and credit are the principles of balance, diba? So record whichever half of entry is more obvious. Example entry for owner's contribution, cash for capital stock. Or let's say si owner ay nag-contribute or nag-issue ng stocks, okay? So cash is 5,000 and paid in capital is 5,000. Okay? So example entry, sorry mali to ha. Ay, tama ba? Sorry, should be credit to, no? Debit cash 5,000 and credit paid in capital. Sir, ano yung paid in capital? It involves capital stock and share premium. So dito ginawa lang ay pwede naman to. Kaya lang in reality, you should separate the capital stock and the share premium. Dati tinatawag to na additional paid in capital. Pero ngayon, ito yung tinatawag na share premium na. Okay. Alright. Also, we discussed also about trial balance. Sorry, ano man na, original entries. Yes, check written, sales made. So, di ba again, sabi ko, you will record that based or if you have documents of it. Do not record if there's no supporting documents. Kaya nga obvious, written, check written, sales made. Now, why? Because pwede kayong ma-audit. Bakit you record it without proper documentation? Diba? So after that, we do trial balance. Naalala pa trial balance? Diba? So dapat your debit total of your ledger should also be equal to your credit. All right. So trial balance, list of all accounts and amounts, column of debit and credit. Okay, it shows the equality of debit and your credit. No, so convenient way in terms of making your adjusting entries now and preparing your FS. So as you notice, diba? When you prepare your FS, mas madali na siya if you have your worksheet. Okay, diba? Mas maganda 'yon. Eh paano kung wala kang from the scratch? Wala. Mahirap, no? Mahirap Helen, di ba? Yan. Alright.
Opo, sir.
Sige, next. So, ito yung dati, no? Yung debit cash and yung credit capital. Alright. Sorry. What if you pay prepaid expense? So, you debit prepaid expense as part of the expense and you credit 750 as part of your cash. Okay, so you pay 750 cash with the 750 as part of your prepaid expenses. All right. Sige nga, adjusting entries. Oh. Sir, ano nga adjusting entries? Bakit kailangan na may adjusting entries? Because some accounts are not properly valued, especially during the year end. Especially the property, plant, and equipment. the supplies, the prepaid assets, the deferred payments or deferral, no? So lahat yan ay na-discuss na, no? Last time, 'di ba? So types of adjusting entries recorded to be apportioned among two or more periods. So yun nga, parang ano to, this is your record PPE. Pero as time goes by, it is part of the depreciation expense. Okay? That's why you have adjusting entries. Unrecorded expenses, yun nga, accrual. If there's no revenue performed, you will record it now as part of your expenses or expense. Okay? Revenues recorded to be apportioned for two more periods. So meaning, kung tapos na yung revenue mo, okay? You perform services, you delivered goods, no? Pwede naman siyang pahapyaw-hapyaw. That's why you have your unrecorded revenue. What do you mean of this? If you remember, what do you mean of unrecorded revenue? Or unearned revenue? Okay, pwede naman to. Okay, so meaning, sorry, ano muna tayo? Unrecorded muna, unrecorded. So meaning, wala kang AR and wala kang sales. So how about unearned revenue? VBAR, if you remember that.
Sir, bali si company na-receive na yung payment but wala pa siyang nagagawang
Alright.
service
Very good, very good,
or
very good, very good, Rose. So meaning unearned is you accept cash, but there's no actual performance of services, and there's no delivery of goods. Very good, Rose Ann. Okay. Sige, adjusting entry exercises. Sige nga, what if you purchase 20,000? The equipment will last for 5 years. What are the depreciation entries for year 1 and year 2? How much? 20,000 divided by 5, you have 4,000. Tama ba? Hi.
4,000,
Alright.
sir, per year.
Alright. So 4,000 per year. So meaning you will depreciate that as 4,000 in every year. Alright. Ilang taon ba? 5 years. Alright. So ilan yan? 4, di ba? Alright. How much is the unaccumulated depreciation for year 2?
8,000, sir.
Alright, it is 8,000. So meaning the 8,000 here, yung first year you have 4,000 as depreciation expense. The following year you have debt expense of additional 4,000. But it is to be transferred to accumulated depreciation, which is the contra asset account. Alright, what do you mean of contra asset account? Anyone? What do you mean of contra asset account? Miguel.
Yung account balance po, sir, is a credit balance.
Alright, it is a credit balance. Very good. Pwede credit balance. So meaning, yes. What else? Tama yan, Miguel. It is a credit balance because it is a contra asset account. What else? Diane. If you remember to my discussion last time. What else? What do you mean of that? Accumulated depreciation. Diane? Wala ata si Diane. Suarez. What do you mean of contra asset account? Yes, it has a credit balance. What else?
Sir, account po siya na sinusubtract sa
Right. It is to be
assets. Say for example,
subtracted.
yung
Sige.
PPE.
Alright, to be subtracted in the PPE as part of the contra asset, except land, because land is increasing in terms of amount. Alright, so tama yon. Sabi ni Miguel, it is normal is the debit is the credit balance. Sabi naman ni Maria Carmen Suarez is it is to be deducted to your property, plant and equipment except land. What else? Ano yung pinaka-essence of it? The contra asset is Arden. Contra asset is you.
Hula, does it tell you how
Okay.
much the depreciation of the actual
Alright.
asset is?
So meaning the accumulation of, very good, pwede, no? You accumulate all the assets. So contra asset is you accumulate, no? In terms of your depreciation as time as time goes by. So meaning contra asset will equal to your to the value of your PPE after, let's say, after 5 years. So the useful life is 5 years, or after the useful life of the asset. Very good. How about the book value, or how much is the book value for year 2? Sige nga, ano yung book value? Asset or PPE minus your accumulated depreciation is equals to your book value. But my question is, how much is the book value for second year? Mon, sige, Mon.
12,000.
So
Yeah, sige.
12,000.
Okay, bakit 12,000?
Kasi 4,000 per year. It's end of 2
Alright.
years. So that's 8,000, sir.
All right, very good. No, because you have 4,000 yearly depreciation and you have 20,000. So after year 2, you have now 8,000 as part of the accumulated depreciation. So 20 minus 12, you have 8,000. Very good. Okay. What is the fair market value or the current value of the equipment for the second year? Kailan mo binili? Walang sinabi, no? All right. What is the fair market value or current value of the equipment at the end of year 2? My question is, yan ba ay to be adjusted to the fair market value?
No, sir.
Very good, Alana. No. The fair market value or the market value of this or the current value of this is the same as the book value. Wala akong pakialam kung tumaas man yung property mo. Sabi ng BIR mataas. Bahala, okay lang pakialam. Kasi in the FS, hindi mo i-record as an increase in your PPE. Alright. Sige. Di ba yung land, lagi pang tumataas, pero land pa rin ay yung cost na binili mo, di ba? Yan. Alright. One of the limitation of the limitations of the balance sheet, right? Because it is based on this historical cost. Alright. Adjusting entry for number 2. What if you purchase office supplies worth 14,000 on January 15? At the end, no, you have 3,000 as supplies on hand. What happened to the 11? Anyone? Diba you have 14? Yun yung binili mo nung January 15. Na nagbilang ka nung 12/31, 3,000 na lang yung supplies. What happened to the 11,000?
Expense out na, sir, yung 11.
Very good, Alana. It will now become part of your expense. Why? Nagamit mo na yung 11. Pagbilang mo, 3,000 na lang yung, let's say, nagbebenta ka ng mga laptop, okay? Or mga gadgets. Alright. Sige. Preparation of this. Okay. Credit sales for the year was 1 million. At the year end, we estimate that we will collect all but approximately 1.5 of our sales from customers due to the customers that go bankrupt or disappear. All right. Ano bang question? All right. Ano ba wala nangyari, no? Credit sales mo is 1 million. At the end of the year, the estimated we will collect all but approximately 1.5. So meaning 1.5 will not be part of the collection. My question is, ano yung adjusting entries mo dito? Doubtful, account expense. Sige, Arlona.
Ano, sir, doubtful account expense,
very good.
15,000 and allowance for
Alright.
doubtful accounts.
Very
Credit.
good. Very good, Alana. So meaning your expense doubtful account is part of your income statement, no, as a deduction to your gross profit. Kasi doubtful account expense is parang hindi siya operation, di ba? And also, pwede na operation, no? Depende pala. And then, what else? What do you mean of allowance for doubtful accounts? So, same lang siya sa property, plant, and equipment. So here, in terms of that, no, the account, the contra asset, which is the allowance for doubtful account, it is also to be deducted to your account receivable. Okay, that's why AR minus allowance for doubtful accounts, you have your net present value. Sorry, net realizable value or NRV. All right, very good, Alona. Closing entries, maybe I will not discuss this. Say we did not discuss closing entries. Okay. Ito lang naman, when you say journal entries, sorry, closing entries, no, you will have a dummy account which is called income summary. All right. Para pinahaba lang siya, no, in terms of your closing kasi you have your entries there. Okay. So temporary and income statement account are all closed or transferred to the income summary for the meantime. Okay. Why? Because the income summary is also to be close to your retained earnings or to your capital. Okay. Yan. So profit or loss, expense, and revenue summary. So as you notice, you have here income summary account. So dami account lang naman to. Okay. Zero out and close out. So dapat after closing entries, my question is, dapat ba mayroon ka pang balanse sa nominal or nominal or what do you call that, temporary account? The answer is should be hi. My question is, after ba ng closing entries, mayroon pang balanse sa revenue and expenses and some other expenses?
None, sir.
Very good. Wala na kasi nailipat mo na siya sa property, plant, and equipment. Very good. Yan. That's why, sabi dito, only permanent account will remain open. Diba? Asset, liabilities, and owner's equity, except, and then land, and the drawings na dapat ay close na din sa retained earn. If you're a proprietor, dapat yan ay na-deduct na din sa capital. If you are retained earn, if you're a corporation naman, no need, no? Kasi parang withdrawal, you just withdraw it from your personal. Alright. Journal. All journals are originally recorded as entered as the journal. So what we did is this, no? Journalizing or journal entries, no? The hence book of this original entry. When you say journal, it is the book of original entry. How about ledger? Alona, if naalala pa. Ano nga yung journal is the book of original entry? How about ledger? Book of?
Summary, sir.
Again, journal is the book of original entry. How about the ledger?
Is that the summary ba, sir?
Summary, yes, it's a summary of account. Okay. What else? Meron pa. Helen. Ledger is the book of, diba? If the journal is the original entry, how about the ledger? Or anyone? Wait, may nag-text lang. What else? Diba? Journal is the book of original entry, while ledger is the book of?
Final, sir.
Diane? What?
Final entry.
Yes, it's the book of final entry. Very good. Why final entry? Kasi if you have now your ledger, it is, yes, transaction, yes, pwede. Pero it is the book of final entry is your ledger. Why? Because the account are all to be transferred to the trial balance. And if you have adjustment, no, yan, the account. If you have adjustment, you will need to adjust it. But of course, since you have already your ledger or your trial balance, mas madali na siya. And you have your worksheet, diba? So after that, it is to be, you have now your FS. That's why it is called Book of Final Entry. All right. Journal is account or amounts to be debited. So I think we discussed this. We had journal entries, diba? Debit and credit. No, device for classifying or summarizing. Okay? Ito sinabi na lang na summarizing. Right? And all of these are transferred to your T account. All right. No worries then. All right. So we are done with the concept of it. So accounting system. Alam nyo ba, naalala ko, no? Sabi nila, if you have your own business daw, dapat you have care C-A-R-E, care. What do you mean of this? So if you have your own company, diba? Kahit yan retail or trading man yan or manufacturing or merchandising, dapat you have 4 personnels. Care. C. C, dapat you have only 1 personnel for C, custody or custodial. Storekeeper. Ang trabaho na lang ay mag-receive or maging in charge sa warehouse. That's why it is called custodial. Dapat isang tao lang yan. Or isang tao. Dapat hiwalay siya. A, the one who authorize. Diba? Care, C-A-R-E. The one who authorize. So, malamang yan yung boss nyo. Okay? Owner, the manager. So, ang gagawin na lang ay mag-approve. Okay? The one who authorize for that. R, the one who record. Okay? So, dapat hiwalay nagre-record, hiwalay nag-authorize, hiwalay yung nasa custodial. And letter E naman is the one who execute. Okay? Sila yung mga sales lady, sila yung mga parang frontliners, yan, mga yan. Bakit? I remember no, when I was still the consultant of Broadway Gems. Tinanong ako, Sir Jayman, bakit kami ay net loss? Bakit madaming nawawalang inventory ng mga girly thing, ng mga ipit-ipit, no? Yung pala, ang tao lang sa kanilang store dati ay 2 lang. Isang gwardiya and isang tao lang of the one who record and the one who execute. Siya pa yung nasa cashier, siya pa yung nagiging sales lady, di ba? Bakit? O, pag may benta ka, pwede mong hindi ilista ang sales, correct? And pera ay nasa bulsa, di ba? Pag kami pumupunta doon, kami ay magbibilang, tapos sasabihin namin, Sir, ang laki ng short mo. How come wala kang sales? Sasabihin ng mga nandoon, Sir, kasi madami magnanakaw. Mga shop lifter, no? Sabi ko, no. You need to hire one, no? The one who in charge for the cashiering and the one in charge for sales lady. Kaya ngayon, as you notice sa mga Broadway Gems, di ba? Alam mo yun, Broadway Gems? Lisette? Alam niya yan, yung mga
Yes,
binibili, okay, bumibili kayo ng mga pangbabae. 'Di ba? As you notice, pagpunta kayo doon, 2 or 3 persons na ang nasa nandoon. Dati isa lang nandoon na. Ayan, cost cutting pa. Pero ngayon, 2 or 3 personals na because yun nga, kasi kailangan yung care ay hiwa-hiwalay. That's one of the main parang check and balances, no? Or parang internal control, no? Or accounting system and control when you have your own business. Of course, kung wala pa naman pera, as long as the one who record and the one who execute, dapat hiwalay yon. Kasi malamang ikaw yung mag-authorize kasi ikaw yung owner, 'di ba? Kasi hindi pwedeng, 'di ba? Kung may tindahan lang kayo, no? Common system, kung may tindahan kayo, bumili ng stick o. 'Di ba? So pwedeng wag mong i-record sa na lang yung pera. Ayan, kupit. Yan. So yan. Accounting system is consists of journals, ledger, and the rule of using them. So we are done with doing journal entries with the ledger. Okay? So dati wala pa naman computer, no? What they did is only a worksheet. Diba? Wala pa naman, no? But now because of this advanced technology, no, you can use your Excel. Yeah? If you have, pag sinabing manual ngayon is you are doing Excel. Pwede computerized using the accounting software, no? QuickBooks, SAP, okay? Pitch 3, okay? GL system, okay? And as long as you have proper internal control, you have proper accounting processes, proper accounting procedures and guidelines. Kasi kahit yan ay magandang system, pero walang proper training on how to do it, 'di ba? Sayang ng investment niya, okay? So bookkeeping steps are done electronically. Yes, no, in San Miguel in my first year or second year, what I did is only bookkeeping, no? I record, I journalize, okay? Using the SAP. Mas madali 'yan, di ba? Alright. Ano yung objectives of the accounting system? No? To process information efficiently. So, of course, low cost as possible. You process that efficiently with the low cost. Okay? To obtain the reports quickly. So, dapat pag sinabi ni Helen, I need the report now as soon as possible, dapat ay maibigay mo kaagad. No? And of course, quality and accuracy naman. Hindi naman yung quickly as possible, pero mali-mali naman yung nire-report nyo. Okay? And of course, the last is to minimize the possibility of fraud or error or theft. Di ba? Kung wala kang accounting system and internal control, sa tingin nyo ba magiging maganda yung business nyo? Especially in terms of care again. Custodial, isang tao. The one who authorize, isang tao. The one who record, isang tao. And the one who execute ay isang tao lang. Alright. So, dapat kayo ha. Ganon kayo, no? Alright. Internal accounting control or internal control. Basic principles, no? Make it difficult as if or as is practical for people to be dishonest or careless. Of course, if you have a proper internal control, sa tingin nyo ba, may eliminate yung fraud or error? Tingin nyo. If you have proper internal control.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Lisette, no? Yes, di ba? Sorry, si Helen pala. Yes, no? You will eliminate, no? But not 100%. Why? Diba?
Connivance, sir.
Very good, Alana. That's the word, connivance. Alam nyo ba, kwento ko lang when I was still in Naga sales office in San Miguel, nagtaka ako. Alam nyo ba yung bodegero ng isang dealer nagpagawa ng mansion? As in, mansion, no? Nag-CI kami kasi yung may-ari nagreklamo na. Sabi sa amin, bakit wala kaming benta? Bakit loss? Bakit ang dami namin nawawalang beer? 'Di ba? Yung pala, yung warehouse warehouse clerk or yung bodegero ay nag-connive sila ng guard, yung security guard, connivance, no? Yung pala pinapalabas niya yung truck with a lot of San Miguel product. Let's say, ang order ng kliyente ay 24 pallets. Sinasobrahan nila, ginagawang 26. Ang laki na. In one pallet, we have 108 cases. So, pinapasobrang 1 pallet or 2 pallets. Yung 2 pallets na yan ay sa bodegera. Binebenta rin sa labas. Di ba? So, kasi the role of security guard is to check na what you order is 24 pieces or 24 cases, dapat 24 din ang ilalabas. How come naman nakakalabas sa 26 pallets, 28 pallets, di ba? So, tama yun, Alona. There is a connivance, di ba? And of course, you cannot eliminate the internal control. Okay? Sa inyo ba, Alona, may ganun bang nangyari?
Wala pa naman, sir.
Wala pa naman. Hopefully wala, 'di ba? Hopefully wala, 'di ba? Kasi mahirap 'yun, no? Let's say pinakakatiwalaan mo pa, nagnenegosyo ka, masayang-masaya ka na you have 100,000 income. Well, in fact, ang nakukuha pa ng bodegero mo ay 500,000. 'Di ba? Yung pala dapat ang benta mo is 600,000. Mas malaki pa sa bodegero. 'Di ba? 'Yon. So, internal control system must be implemented, no, to reduce possibility of theft, error, intentional or unintentional mistakes. So, ano pa yung mga other ways to have internal control system, no? Segregation of duties, no? Job rotation, 'di ba? Kaya nga 'di ba as you notice sa mga bangko, lalo sa bangko, 'di ba, sa BDO, iba-iba na, no? After 2 years, iba na yung manager, iba na yung staff because of job rotation, no? Hindi lang kasi because of that you have familiarity, 'di ba? Parang easy go lucky ka na or you're in the comfort zone. Yan, minsan tinatamad na magtrabaho, minsan ay nagnanakaw pa, 'di ba? 'Yon. Okay? Yan. Examples of internal control nga, record keeping, custody of the assets, dapat isang tao lang yan, the one who authorize, care, 'di ba? The one who record, ano pa yung kulang dito? The one who execute. Yan. Dapat yan ay isang tao lang. Okay? Okay? So in finance naman, dapat sa EP, sa ER, no? Kasi hindi pwedeng magsama. Ito pa, no? In your own company ba, nasaan yung payroll? Accounting department or nasa finance? Kasi ang dami ko pang nakikita na ang payroll ay nasa finance. Tama ba 'yon? If the payroll is part of the finance department or accounting department. Tingin niyo. Hi.
I think accounting, sir.
So, Ellen, accounting. Why accounting?
Kasi po parang finance is more on budgeting. So baka
More on
iniisip
budgeting.
ko
All right.
about the salary.
Yes. But for me or mostly no, dapat ang payroll ay nasa human resource, not in finance. Why? 'Di ba? Under finance department is a treasury department, correct? Sino ba ang nagfa-fund ng payroll? 'Di ba finance? All right. What if ikaw pa yung nasa payroll? Ikaw pa yung nagfa-fund? 'Di ba? Yes, of course there's also a authorization for it. Pero may nangyari kasi ganyan, no? Yung sweldo niya is 10,000, ginawang 100,000, ginawang 0. No, why? Kasi ikaw pa yung nagpe-payroll, ikaw pa yung nagfa-funds ng bangko. Of course, yung the one who authorized, 'di ba? Wala naman ano 'yon, no? Perma lang 'yon, 'di ba? Yes, sa government, tama Layla, it is part of the human resource. In San Miguel, it is part of the human resource. Pero of course, if you have naman proper guidelines or policies, okay lang naman kung nasa finance. Pero to avoid lang fraud, no? To avoid lang fraud and irregularities, mas maganda nasa human resource. Kasi yun nga, tama si Layla, no? And Mark Ace. So, kasi sila yung gumagawa or sila yung may alam ng SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, di ba? Yan. So, yun. Yun yung mga recommendation ko kasi madaming gumagawa ng kalokohan, di ba? Especially if you are in the finance department kasi alam mo yung pera. Okay? Yan nga. Pero di naman ano, for me lang naman, it is my recommendation. So, tama yun, Helen, no? Kasi sila yung nagpa-fund. Okay? To avoid lang irregularities and fraud. Alright, sige. Reconciliation, bank accounts. Yun nga, bank accounts. So dapat you have bank reconciliation. Kasi lalo na kung dumadami yung accounts mo. 'Di ba? Ang dami mong pera. Yes, ang dami mong pera. Yung pala, hindi ka nagba-bank reconciliation. Ang dami pa palang ninanakaw ng empleyado mo. 'Di ba? Tuwang-tuwa ka na you have 1 billion. Pero yung empleyado mo may nakuwang 2 billion, no? Dapat 3 billion yung pera mo. Ayan. So, details, ledgers to control the account in the general ledger. Ayan. Alright. What account-based or accounting system does? Okay. So, in terms of the accounting software, accounting system, so mechanical steps, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? The reason why I gave you the worksheet, no, in our first part, kasi basically, sorry, ano ba to? Alright. So basically, it's very important also that you know how to journalize manually. Kasi ngayon, if you have your own accounting software, accounting system, if you have only if you know how to journalize automatic, you have now your FS. Yan. Sa SAP, no, sa SAP namin, ginagawa lang namin dati, journal entries lang. No? Automatic. We have now trial balance. We have now FS. Napakadali. No? Yan. Okay. Computer system performs some of the bookkeeping. Yun nga, as you notice, more on bookkeeping. You record, you store. So, siya nang bahala mag-summarize ng T account, no? Perform arithmetic operations, summarizes, and ito yung pinakaganda. automatic, you have now your reports. Yan, diba? Inputs. So data entry, you input all, you have documents of it, the time record, inventory count. Now all of this are all in the computer. Okay? So as long as commons, the basic rule here is you should record transactions with supporting documents. Do not record transactions with no supporting data. Kasi it is a mortal sin. No? If the KPMG or the SGV will audit you, how come that you record it with no sufficient evidence? Diba? So after that, you process it, no, through debit and credit, diba? You have output to graphs through FS, and the ultimate goal here is the output through your financial statement. Yan. So modules, so interconnected of it, the program, orders entry, the purchasing. Sample pala. Order entry, you process sales order, no? You record shipments, related account receivable. And then the purchasing naman is to issue purchase order. Then personal and payroll is you keep the employee payroll and paycheck. So ito yung mga sample wherein in the SAP or the QuickBooks, no, you have a lot of interconnected, no, programs. No, sa sales, you have human resource, you have marketing, you have logistics, no, and you have human resource. So what are, of course, hindi naman lahat perfect, no, in terms of the computer system of the SAP. So what is the opportunities and problems? Opportunity, of course, efficiency. Di ba mas madali kesa magsusulat ka sa worksheet? Yan. Off-the-shelf system available for small companies. Yun nga, if you have small companies, no, mas mahal pa yung system mo sa benta mo, 'di ba? Common sense lang. If you have your own company, start ka muna sa wala. Start ka muna sa Excel muna, okay? So as long as okay na yung business mo, you can shift to Xero or GL system or QuickBooks. Yan. Modifying to unique complexities of a company may be costly. Yun nga, costly, 'di ba? As time goes by, pag lumalaki yung business mo, yan, kailangan mo rin ng more accounting software, accounting system. Mas mamamahal din, 'di ba? Yan, paper trail. Din nga sabi ko, no? Do not record transactions with no paper trail or audit trail. Okay? So in layman's term, huwag kang mag-record na walang ebidensya. Like sales invoice, delivery receipt, usually sales invoice, no? Yan. Technological advances make system obsolete. Yan, no? So kaya may updates ka in terms of your system. May web administrator ka dapat nagme-maintain or nag-update ng system mo. Okay? Challenges of educating users, no? Yun nga, dati wala lang, kwento lang sa akin, no? Kwento lang. San Miguel daw dati ay manual. Tapos yung mga tao doon, usually mga high school graduate lang. So, ginagawa nila, kailangan nilang ipa-retire yung mga oldies na mga personnel. Pero sabi nila, pero pag magaling ka sa computer, if you want to transition to manual to the computer system, kailangan mo mag-aral ng computer system. Yun, yung iba nag-aral, yung iba ayaw na. Kasi, hindi, ito na yung kasanayan ko. Yun nga, no? Challenges of educating the users. So, iba ayaw mag-change, di ba? Yung iba naman, gustong-gusto nila kasi trabaho yan. Alright. Uy, tapos na pala. So far, any question? Ano oras na ba? 6:40. Alright, question. Sir, question. Ano po accounting system software for MSME and user-friendly? Yung sa amin po kasi ginamit ngayon, hindi po. Okay, anong nyo, Tricia?
Sir, yung ginagamit po namin, MYOB.
MYOB, mind your own business, no?
Yes, sir.
Try Xero, no? Try Xero, or QuickBooks. Para sana QuickBooks is QuickBooks yung pinaka, for me, kung may pera kayo, SAP na. Kaya lang,
Sir,
SAP,
parang wala po.
wala. SAP, or you can use Zero,
Sige, note ko po. Thank you, sir.
or QuickBooks, no? So, sa lahat, of course, SAP na lang pinakamaganda sa lahat. 'Di ba? Napaka-user friendly, sobra. Yun nga lang, medyo mahal. 'Di ba? Quick Zero and QuickBooks, okay siya. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
So, what else? So, any question? Next week is your midterm multiple choice lang. No? Madali lang, no? Up to this accounting system. No? So, you will cover for 3 hours. Okay? Pero just tell me ha, if wala pa kayong internet, don't worry. Okay? Alam nyo ba yung Lasal ngayon, wala kaming pasok, no? For 1 week. Also San Beda, Alabang. Okay? Kayo, may pasok pa kayo, no? Alright. Yung UP, wala daw pasok. Alam nyo ba? Alam nyo ba yan? Sorry baka may mga DDS dito. Okay. Nabasa ko lang naman. Ang UP daw ay hindi papasok or magsususpend na ng klase hanggang si Duterte pa ang presidente. Nabasa nyo ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Meron ding students sa Ateneo, sir.
Meron ba?
Sa Katipunan. I think more than
LS.
500 students.
More than 500. Alright.
For
me, my own opinion, I will support that. Joke lang. Wala. Kasi parang pagod na ako, no? Parang walang nangyayari sa atin, no? Okay, anyway. Sorry, baka kayo ay, pro Duterte, no? Anyway. So, if none, sige, see you all. So we will see. So next week is your midterm. So we will meet on December na. Okay? Tama ba? December. Okay. So expect for more group works now on the part 2 of it. So I will group you as Alona and Helen is your team leader. Okay. For that. Question so far.
Sir, yung coverage na exam up to here.
Coverage from accounting cycle of what we discussed, and then income statement, balance sheet, and ito, accounting system and control.
Okay, sir.
Yung mga questions, same doon sa natin, Kahoot, or madali lang, no worries. Pwede mo ma-perfect Alona, and Helen. Okay. Madali
Hirap ng theories, sir.
Mahirap laban theories. Alright. Alright, so if none, so see you all. So ano na tayo ngayon? Mabilis lang daw. Kasi mahina yung internet ng iba. Yung iba pala, wala dito, no? Kasi wala silang internet as of now.
Yes, sir, wala daw po silang internet.
Oo, wala. Kasi hindi naman lahat nasa Manila ngayon, no? Although nasa Manila yung iba nasa Bicol. Okay? Yung iba nasa North. Yan. Yes, Laylan, no? Yung exam is nasa Canvas. Okay? So, using your Canvas. Okay? Don't worry. It is 3 hours. Maybe I will open that, no, until 12 midnight. Okay? Basta the exam is 3 hours. So, you can take it. Kasi, yun nga, dapat daw big compassion, no, with the students, especially now because of this pandemic and because of ano pa yan? Internet, no? Yan. Alright, no worries, Layla. Okay. So if none, sige, see you all next week, no, which is on December. Not to worry, I will not give assignment now, no. I will just upload the 2. Diba, we had also video recording last time, no. Yung Thursday hindi kami nag-meet kasi because of the typhoon. Kaya on Thursday we will have 2 topics to be discussed. Alright, so if none, thank you very much and hopefully you learned of this.
We did, sir. Thank
Thank you, sir.
Alright,
sir.
sige. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Alright,
Thank you.
good night. Sige, bye-bye.